Monitoring solutions supervise thousands of TV and radio services. They can raise hundreds of different alarms related to network congestion, video defects, audio defects, and so on. A fine-tuning phase is necessary to avoid flooding end users with too many alarms, not relevant for their own need, and which would make it difficult for them to quickly investigate on the root cause of a specific issue and solve the problem. StreamProbe, the monitoring solution by Test3, meets the challenge of sending the right information to the right person at the right time. In the previous software version, this was possible, for example, via email notifications. In the latest software version, we have made notification available to users in their everyday tools, such as Google Chat and Slack. And this, wherever they are, at the network operating center, in the office, working from home, or even on their mobile device when outside. The feature is based on webhook mechanism, which also allows communication with many other applications whose support might be added in the future. Optimize your daily operation time and costs. Request your demo now.